afternoon, welcome to McKean Adventures. Today we're just going to do a quick review of our Honda EU32i generator. We had a generator previously, we decided to upgrade due to not being able to run our aircon when off-grid. Not that it's a necessity, but it helps. Also to help top up our batteries on those cloudy days when the solar's not quite catching. So come on down for a squizzy. So the EU32i weighs roughly 26 kilos. Without fuel, so with fuel, roughly 30. You're not going to bust your ass trying to lift it, which is good compared to other generators of the size. So down here we've got our on-off switch, our 240s. What you'd see, there is an app you can download, which you can stop remotely from. Unfortunately, you can't start, but can stop. So you can be sitting down having beers, catching your fish, with your generator running, and then you can press stop and it will turn off. That's also useful for giving your fuel output, energy output, or your service needs as well. To download the app, you just go to My Honda through your app store or whatever you use. Around the side here, this side here comes off and it'll have your QR code to scan, as well as a number up under if you can't get the QR code to scan. So I'll give you a demo of how to start and how easy it is to start. So hopefully, so we turn the switch to on, give the cord a pull. First go. Can't ask much more than that. It's quite quiet, this generator, compared to our old one. Even under load, it doesn't make much more noise than what it's doing now. So turn off. So with this one, you don't need to open the lid as a breather. Just runs on your regular unleaded fuel as well, which is great. Save a bit of money at the Bowser with that one. But yeah, that's the Honda EU32i generator. Jump across to McKean Adventures for more information. Follow us, give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe and a like on www.mckeanadventures.com.au. Have a beautiful day.